Hello everyone and welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to file eBay taxes on Turbotax. So as you can see here, we have different options. So if your online auction sales involve used items and are the equivalent of an occasional garage or yard sale, you generally don't have to report income from those sales, especially if you're selling the items for less than you paid for them. Now, if your eBay sales are classified as a hobby, you have to report the income on Form 1040, but you won't be able to offset your profits by deducting expenses. Now, if you earn money from your eBay sales, your activities will be classified as a business and you'll have to report your net income, so gross income minus allowable business related expenses from your eBay sales. So depending on which category you are in, you just have to fill the taxes from their official website. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.